India just pulled off a quantum leap, a 1,000-kilometer ultra-secure communication network built in under 2 years. And this, I believe, changes everything. Under the National Quantum Mission, India has successfully deployed a 1,000-kilometer secure quantum communication network using quantum key distribution, or QKD, built by IIT Madras incubated startup QNew Labs. This is one of the longest fiber-based quantum networks in the world, ladies and gentlemen. And here's the bigger story. The original target was 2,000 kilometers in 8 years. India has already reached half of that in under 2 years. This is, by the way, unhackable communication because QKD works very differently. So instead of mathematical encryption, it uses quantum physics. If someone tries to intercept the communication, the system immediately detects it, which means no silent breaches, no hidden attacks, no backdoors. QNew Labs' Armos platform has already proven secure key generation up to 200 kilometers without amplification works alongside 10 Gbps telecom traffic, maintains under 4% error rates, detects fiber cuts and restores security within minutes. This directly impacts defense communication, banking and financial systems, critical infrastructure, government networks. So in a world where cyber attacks are increasing, quantum secure communication becomes a very tangible strategic advantage. The United States, China and Europe have been racing to build quantum networks. China, by the way, in particular, has already deployed long-distance QKD systems. Now, very proudly, India is officially in that league and doing it with indigenous technology. And I want to say that loud and proud, finally. This, of course, is also a very massive signal for India's deep tech ecosystem, a homegrown startup solving one of the hardest problems in computing and delivering it at national scale. And if you're ready for it, here is the front page take. Clearly, I think this is bigger than a milestone. This is, well, for the lack of a better word, a shift from talking about quantum to deploying quantum at scale. And if this pace continues, India will soon define it. Please do let us know how proud this moment makes you feel in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.